Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Hot Wheels 5 pack and this is the Motorshow pack, and this is specifically the Indian version. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. Let's start from above, and let's first start with the Ford. So this is a 2016 Ford GT race, and the paint job looks really phenomenal. The glittering blue with this kind of tangerine pinstripes, I can say. The spoiler is actually made of plastic. But the rims looks really cool. The paint job is really awesome in this one. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this is one of Hot Wheels own, and this is the Crescendo. So I'm personally not a fan of this Hot Wheels own cars, but it is still there. Let's have a look at it. So this one doesn't even look like metal, it looks like plastic. I don't know, man. It is plastic, yeah. This one is not metal. I don't think so. Okay. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this is the Lamborghini Countach, and this is the pace car. So I'm just waiting to get my hands on this one because I don't have this one. The rims looks really cool, and this car has some good heft to it. As always, the Countach looks really amazing. I really love this rim, this specific set of rims to be exact, as this looks literally like a ball bearing, and I personally love that one. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this is the 1967 Ford GT Mark IV. So this looks really awesome. I really don't own this specific model, this one and also this one, the race one. I don't have this. This is the first in my collection. This is some kind of plastic. The rims are pretty standard actually. It's not exclusive or something specific to this car, so it's pretty standard. Okay, so this one is the Aston Martin 177. So I was not able to get this one, as a single unit. Not even in any of the brands actually. Especially in India, it is not easy to get. But I'm happy that I got at least in this 5-piece pack. Yeah, this pinstriping looks really nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.